Europe's drug supply crisis is spiraling out of control, and pharmacists are sounding the alarm. Chronic shortages of essential medications across the European Union have pushed healthcare professionals and patients to their limits, creating a perfect storm of frustration, rationing, and desperate workarounds. But here's what most people don't realize. This isn't just a temporary disruption. It's a systemic failure, exposing deep flaws in pharmaceutical supply chains. Pharmacists now spend hours each week scrambling for alternatives as common antibiotics, cancer drugs, and even diabetes medications vanish from shelves. Patients already burdened by illness face agonizing delays or substitutions that may compromise their treatment. And this is the part policymakers keep ignoring. The crisis stems from a fragile reliance on overseas manufacturing, cost-cutting measures by drug companies, and bureaucratic bottlenecks in EU approval processes. Take antibiotics, for example. Penicillin shortages in multiple EU countries have forced doctors to prescribe broader-spectrum alternatives, a risky move that fuels antibiotic resistance. Meanwhile, cancer patients in Germany and France report treatment delays due to scarce chemotherapy drugs, while insulin-dependent diabetics in Spain ration supplies. Here's the controversial twist. Some experts argue the EU's strict price caps on medicines disincentivize production, while others blame corporate greed as manufacturers prioritize high-profit drugs over essential generics. Which side do you agree with? About the Standard Group plc. As a powerhouse in Kenya's media landscape, the Standard Group plc operates across print, television, radio, and digital platforms, delivering authoritative coverage on national and global issues. Headquartered in Nairobi, its influence spans investigative journalism, real-time news, and multimedia storytelling. Address: The Standard Group Center, Mombasa Road, Nairobi, Kenya. Contacts: phone 020-211-07190-2111. Email protected, https://standardmedia.co.ke/email protection. Postal: P.O. Box 3880 00100. Now, let's debate. Should the EU loosen regulations to incentivize drug production or enforce stricter penalties for shortages? Could localizing medicine manufacturing be the solution? Share your take below. We're leaning toward the latter, but we might be wrong.